AM 1430 KRGI 105.5 FM. Good morning. I'm Brian Gallagher, a guest in studio today from Central District Health Department. Jonna Mangeot is here to talk about something that is ongoing, but some folks may not be aware of, so we're going to let you know this opportunity is out there. First off, welcome back.
Thank you.
We had a chance to get caught up in all the holiday stuff, and thinking about the past and enjoying the future and looking ahead. But here's something that's important. You know that a lot of the vaccinations are available for the different things in one form or another through Central District Health Department, but they also have some testing available. And one thing that's really important to know is that they have a testing program that can literally save your life.
Exactly, Brian. Thanks for having us. So we are offering a routine HIV screening free to really anybody who's interested. CDC recommends that people aged 13 to 64 get tested at least once in their lifetime. Then depending on risk factors and those kind of things, the testing frequency could increase depending on those things. But what we're finding is many people think that they've gotten tested at their doctor's office, and they actually haven't. And so we're just offering this service out there free because actually 1 in 8 people who have HIV are unaware of their status.
That's a scary number in itself because, let's face it, 1 in 8 people doesn't sound like a lot, but if you're in that group of 8, you just don't know. And it's something you do not want to find out that all of a sudden you've had this and you never knew. Exactly.
And, times have really changed. And, now with HIV, the treatment, if you're undetectable, you're untransmittable. So the medications and those kind of things have really come a long way from what we think, they were. And so that's why it's good to have this screening, know your status, and carry on.
So you say that the tests can actually be recommended for someone as young as 13, is that right?
Yes, that's what the CDC recommends. 13 to 64 tested at least once in their lifetime, depending on your lifestyle.
All right, so let's take them through the process. If they want to know what is the process to go in, be tested, and then see what the results say.
So they can call the health department or just walk in. I'll give you a list we're going to be out in the community at certain days, certain places in Hall, Hamilton, and Merrick counties. They come in, fill out a paper. It's confidential. All of this is strictly confidential. They can even remain anonymous. It's a simple finger poke. We get a couple drops of blood, run the test, and probably less than 3 minutes, they have a result.
Where are some of the locations that you're going to be?
So we're going to be at the Aurora Library on the second Thursday of the month, and Central City Library every third Wednesday of the month. We'll also be at the library here, Salvation Army, some other places that they can find. Look on our website or social media and find our schedule.
So this is ongoing, but it is available, and it's something that you can be sure once this test is complete and you get your results back.
Absolutely. So one thing, it is a screening test. So if it did show positive, you would have to get confirmation testing and those kind of things. So we don't want to scare people either.
But it's better to know.
It is better to know and just get it checked out and know your status.
Okay, cdhd.ne.gov.
Correct.
Okay, otherwise phone number?
308-385-5175.
Jonna Mangeot here on behalf of Central District Health Department. Thanks for the update.
Thank you.
Good morning from AM 1430 KRGI 105.5 FM.